Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be moving into 3D plots with Matplotlib. So alright, just a little bit of a backstory. This was actually one of the first things that I read about data science, and when I started looking at it, how I ran across it, it was being referred to as big data because they really didn't understand it. There were no courses. It was still really being understood and developed. Libraries were still being written and tweaked and converted. So the thing that I found most interesting in the article, it was original outliers. Until we looked at them in a 3D model, it wasn't noticed that it was relational too. So when you look at everything 2D, it tells a very flat story. But then if you can rotate it and you begin to see correlations between things, is when the one article that I read was about cancer treatments, and these things that they thought were outliers actually just were a long extension of something that was relational, and they could not see it because they were looking at things two-dimensionally. We live in a three-dimensional world. Your information has to be viewed three-dimensionally. So that was probably the coolest thing and then I think second was that it was in Python, and I was hooked after that. So this is probably one of the things that I'm most excited about. I'm pretty excited about all these things that we talk about, but I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a warm-up of where we're going with Matplotlib. So as always, please drop any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.